Okay.
Hey yo, Flea Lord.
Let's go, Half.
Somebody try to act like they just gon'
It's our turn.
like they gon' just dump the coke shipment in the water.
My woe got a kill tech in his jail sweats. 10 in the morning, he ain't make a sale yet. Damn Flea Lord, you a rare wreck. And that's word to my grandmama in her hairnet. Con in position, I'm a bomb, niggas listen. And you know I brought them all for that armed intervention. Strapped like high forces, backed by pie tossers. You be peeping out your side eye, trying to vibe off us. Drum work regime, Lord, the gun work is clean. We can sweep the whole street or go silence and beam. $100 shots while you run around the block. Nigga, motherfuck 12, throw a summons out the drop. Blade to your death wave, Delgado on tilt. Man, Versace nigga got me like a model raw silk. Prada's on milk, long nozzles all filled. Ain't no missing when we spittin', Lord, my riders all skilled. Balenciaga short sleeve, pippin' out the 4-speed. Cook so much fish in here, my kitchen got a drawer freeze. Yup, I said I cook so much fish in here, my kitchen got a drawer freeze.
The cargo came in. Time to distribute it. Major distribution. Feed the hood and feed every block. Time to administer it. We got the propane. Nigga. A lot of cocaine. Nigga. Feed the hood and feed every block. Knock. Time to administer it. Seems like the way I get the bag concerning you a lot. Cook, nigga, why you got the coca burning in the pot? Custy's waiting for these serving, peep the line in front the spot. Them police rush the gate, watch how they line up when it's hot. Ratchet stack up from when jokes niggas come try, take what you got. Then pop him till he's decrepit and lay until he rot. I defend this fool, you take nothing, nigga, absolutely not. In this gun war, you place bets, better ask them who we got. Look, you watch them niggas laying